Specific categories of health medical products for sale too. First aid kit websites. baproducts.com, cpr-savers.com, customkits.com, fieldtechs.com, firstaidnaturally.com, holistic first aid kits, firstaid-supply.com, guts.com, nitro-pak.com, orgear.com, radiation-pills.com, saferamerica.com, safetymax.com, sawyerproducts.com, sharplink.com/jkits, seriousmed.com, survival-pack.com, survivalunlimited.com. First aid kits for sale. Adventure Medical, 5555 San Leandro St. Oakland, California 94621. 800-324-3517. 510-261-7414. Fax, 510-261-7419. AdventureMedicalKits.com. Atwater Carry Ltd. 339 F Rainbow Boulevard, Salida, Colorado 81201. 800-359-1646. 729-530-0923. Fax, 719-530-0928. DestinationOutdoors.com. Outdoor Research, 2203 First Avenue South, Seattle, Washington 98134-1424. 800-467-8197. 206-421-2421. Orgear.com. Heartburn products for sale. bio-alternatives.net. CurryOurHeartburn.com. Heartburnrelief.org. RefluxRemedy.com. Incontinence leakage product websites. 180medical.com, 180 Medical, disposable medical supply company specializing in intermittent catheters. Absorbent-solutions.com. BioLifeDynamics.com, biofeedback and incontinence products for women. CarePathways.com. ComfortHouse.com. comfort-touch.com. Depend.com. Dribblistop.com. dryforlife.co.uk. easycare.gr. embrace.net. enablex.com. freedomprod.com, Freedom Industries. Unique line of leg bag release systems. freedomvalve.com, male incontinence clamp. gturological.com, product for men. hdis.com. homecarydelivered.com, home care delivered, incontinence supplies. inotex.de. llmedico.com, incontinence products. medicalsupplygroup.com. miltonstay-dry.co.uk. natural-woman.com. piemed.com, Pie Medical, pulsing water therapy for the bowel. quickmedical.com. ourpromise.com. safecomfort.com. securepersonalcare.com, adult diapers and incontinence care. securepersonalcare.com, adult briefs and incontinence products. selfwipe.com, bathroom toilet aid. tranquilityproducts.com. trifemsoft.com, simple urinary insert for females, get instant relief from leakage. wellnesspartners.com. Incontinence products for sale/leakage products. Home delivery incontinence supplies. CO. 1215 Dealman Industrial Court, Olivet, Missouri 63132. 800-538-1036. 800-2 My Home. HDISnet.com. Medical Alert bracelets for sale. Medical Alert Foundation, 2323 Colorado. Turlock, California 95380. 800 ID Alert. Medicalerty.org. ICEcontact.com. ICE, the emergency alert network. Joining ICE can save your life. lawrencehope.com. Lifeline.ca, Canada. Medicalalertwatch.com, 800-722-6955, Medical Alert Watches. medical-alarm.org. medicalalert.co.uk. Medicalerty.com, 800-432-5378. medicalmedallion.com. medids.com, Medical ID Alert Wallet Cards, Bracelets. RescueAlert.com. TanaMoStudios.com, Custom Fancy Medical Emergency Jewelry ID Tags. UniversalMedicalLid.com, Canadian Medical Bracelet. AMERICANMEDICAL-ID.com. 800-363-5985. Goldware Medical Jewelry. 800-669-7311. GOLDWARE-ID.com. ID-TECHNOLOGY.com. 410-602-1911. SOSAmerica.com. 800-999-1264. Personal Remote Emergency Response System / I've fallen and I can't get up devices. ADT.com, 877-238-3880. AlertSentry.com, 877-253-7899. LifeOne.com, 800-331-9198. LifelineZStems.com, 800-451-0525. AgingTech.org. QuietCareSystems.com, 866-216-4600. QuantumMurray.com, 877-378-7745. Seasonal effective lights for sale. Because of less light outside in winter, serotonin level in the brain go down, causing depression, which contributes to weight gain. These lights help counteract this. Lighttherapyproducts.com. Sunalight.com. Sunshinesales.ca. Alaska Northern Lights. 800-880-6953. akms.com/nlights. AlaskanRTHernlights.com. ApolloLight.com. 800-545-9667. Enviromed Lights. Vancouver, WA. 800-222 Dawn. Biolight.com. Ergolight.com. 800-786-6850. HLT.com. 800-544-4825. Lightforhealth.com. 800-468-1104. Naturallighting.com. 888-900-6830. NORTHERNLIGHT-TECH.com. 800-263-0066. OTT-LITE.com. 800-842-8848. Sadlight.com. 877-289-2656. Sunbox Light CO. Gaithersburg, MD. 800-786-6850. 800-548-3968. sunboxco.com. VerilUX.net. 800-786-6850.